Hey everybody. Okay, so back for the second part of what we need to get accomplished here. The next part that we're going to have to do is pull some additional information in. As you guys can see here, we're on our dash report. The next thing we're going to do is go to our dashboards. We're going to scroll down to the tile that says early goals, and we're going to click right on that. It's going to open up in a second tab. In here, we're going to have all of our portfolio growth points for our auto, home, and our AFS products. And then we're also going to have the second bucket here for our personal line, especially personal line, other personal line products as well. I'm attaching this Excel sheet in here with you. So as you can see, I have plugged in all of the referenced um, bonus percentages with the portfolio growth points in here. So to max this thing out at 3.0, it's 26,543 for me. Same thing on our personal line side with a 1.0, 100 basis points, it's 3,200. Once we get all of this information in, and you're going to have to plug in each line by line into your grid system here. So it's super, super simple once you pull the early goals into this. Now, once you have this information in, the next tab that we're going to go to is the what if tab. So, I had the privilege to speak with Jeremy last week. We talked a little bit about being able to put this together so that everybody can kind of wholeheartedly be able to pull the information, upload it into the system, and it's going to give you everything that you want. So, step one, we're going to input all of our early goals, which we've done here. Step two now is going to be for us to get our portfolio growth summary report. So this is going to tell us exactly how many points we accomplished here for 2025. The next step is going to be to get your business metric report. And what we're going to do with that is we are going to do a blended or an average of your retention information in here. Again, it's super, super simple. You're going to come right in. You're going to pull up your business metrics tool. Once you do this, you're going to look at these line items. Here's your auto. Here's your home. You can pull this information right in. You can look right at your current month. For me, it's 85 your net retention, 85.20. And then I'm going to add it to my home, which is 89.32. And then I'm simply just going to average these out. So 85.20. Let's do some simple math here. 85.20 plus the 89.32 divided by 2. Average retention on this is 87.26. I'm going to make a note of that. Boom, boom. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing for the other personal lines. So again, headers are all right here. So I'm going to look at our specialty auto, our renters, our condo, all other specialty products. And then I'm going to simply just look at the net retention of these, add them all together, and divide by, I believe it is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to divide by 4. That will give me my average net retention. Then I come back into this and I start plugging that information in here. So join me on the next video. We'll start putting some math together here for this.